The church of the former Escuelas Pías de San Fernando, now home to the UNED Madrid Library in Lavapiés, originates from the complex formed by the convent and school of San Fernando, founded by the Piarist Fathers in 1729. During the 18th century, several interventions were carried out on the complex, most notably the construction of the church's large dome set on a drum. During the Spanish Civil War, the complex was looted and burned. Only the church remained standing, though reduced to ruins. The left wall of the nave and the apse with its drum survived, already stripped of the dome. Decades later, in 1996, the site was transferred to UNED, which commissioned architect José Ignacio Linazasoro to carry out its restoration. Between 2001 and 2004, a project was completed to install a library, one that deeply respected the memory of the place by integrating the new with the old. Its walls and structural elements remain visible as testimony to the past. The library is built atop the ruins of the former church. After passing through the entrance hall, conceived as an extension of Arturo Barea Square, visitors arrive at the reading room, which occupies the central nave of the temple. The library is organized across two levels, a main floor at plaza level and a mezzanine above the vestibule. A wooden lattice spans the entire length of the former nave, filtering the light that reaches the space and highlighting the irregular texture of the walls. The crossing tower was covered at a lower height, preserving the building's ruined appearance from the outside. The furniture defines the space as an artistic installation. Particularly noteworthy is the bookcase, which evokes the form and placement of an altarpiece, engaging in dialogue with the original architecture. The coat of arms of the Escuelas Pías presides over the room as a symbol of the institution's history in the neighborhood. The library connects to the classroom building through a vestibule that once served as the church's main entrance. A freestanding staircase along the temple's side wall, made of industrial wood flooring and steel, links the different classroom levels. This intervention succeeds in preserving the historical memory of both the neighborhood and the building, while giving the space a new life as a university center.